Welcome back to What Rights. This is segment 22. Now we had 5 bail release hearings, 2 on the telephone on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, 1 in a high court setting on a Sunday, 1 on a Monday morning, and 1 on a Tuesday morning, May the 17th and the 18th. Come Tuesday evening, I was a little panicky about what was happening there. I got a chance to talk to an Asian woman from Legal Aid, and I had hoped that maybe I could get an attorney through them. She took personal information in order to do that. I was then taken back to the jail cell. Later on that evening, I asked to use the telephone to try and get a hold of Legal Aid to find out if an attorney had been assigned, and I had no luck in getting through to their office. During these attempts on the phone, the jail guard, female jail guard, a blondish-haired woman of about 5'2" in height, had come to me and said, "Your lawyer called." And she said she couldn't give me a pen. I asked for a pen to write down the number. She said I couldn't have one. And she said, but she'd write the number down for me. So she wrote the number down on the back of Philip Rankin's attorney card that I received from him on Monday morning, the 17th of May. I tried to get through to the number. The line was busy. When I told the jail guard the line was busy, I'd need to use the phone later. She herself was on the cell phone. Later on, when I got to use the phone, I tried the number again. The line was busy again. And so I told her that the line was busy, and again she was on her cell phone. Come Wednesday morning, I felt a little panicky, stressed, because the fact I couldn't get a hold of any legal representation. I finally got through to the number, and a woman answers the phone, and I said, "Are you an attorney?" And she said, "Yes." She said, "My office made a mistake. They gave you my home phone number instead. Could you please destroy that number?" And I said, "Oh yeah, sure, no problem." And she turns around and hangs up the phone. Now, if she had been an attorney that was assigned to me, why didn't she give me her office number before asking me to destroy that number and hanging up? So after that conversation, it was move-out time from the downtown Vancouver jail. That was my 5th day there, and I was being moved out to the North Fraser Pretrial Center in Port Coquitlam. So that's where I was headed, and the inmates out there called the bus, which is the armored car that they use to transport prisoners, but they refer to this as the bus. But we're going to talk about North Fraser Pretrial and what happened out there starting in the next segment. So stay tuned to YouTube.